Oh yeah.
If you use like the harmonic drives, you could get it a lot closer.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
This also is cut on one end, which makes me feel like we should trash it.
That one.
Oh, I was like, there's no feature. I was telling him, I was like, there's no features. That axis sounds nice. Long lever arms that we're trying to... They want to do everything.
Yeah.
Did you work for 2 decades at NASA too? Is that
No.
doing doing tie wraps?
Like the bolt connecting the camera platform to the roll mount. It's a fairly solid infill, and then
Yeah, cool. Good.